Hi, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, we're going to show you a couple of ways to sharpen a lawnmower blade. Before you do any work on the blade, what you want to do is take the spark plug off. Now, the likelihood of the thing starting is very low, but let's just hedge our bets. And this spark plug wire right here, if it's not plugged in, the engine cannot start. Because now what we're going to do is you're going to have to tip this unit onto its side, which will prop up here. And you will see that this is an old blade, and man, this thing is dirty underneath here. And what we're going to do is take this nut off to remove the blade. Now, sometimes it's righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Sometimes it's the exact opposite. So we're going to have to figure that out as we go at it. All right, so I've got an extra set of hands here, and I'm going to have to hold this and see if I can crack this to loosen it. So you just got to take your wrench real quick. And you can see that it starts to loosen a little bit. There we go. Now, it's one single bolt that's going to come off. Okay, so now that we have the blade off, you've got a couple of options when it comes to sharpening it. You could use a stone like this, but that will take you a long time. If you want to speed the process up, what I'm going to be using is a Dremel tool with a blade sharpening attachment, and I'll show you how this works. Now with this kit, there's a bunch of different attachments. I've gone ahead and put the grinding stone on the end, and then this attachment, this guide, screws on the housing of the Dremel tool to help you use this guide against the grinding stone to sharpen the blade. Holding the blade in position, this guide is going to go on the underside of what you're going to grind. You see this blade portion here, all those nicks? I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. The goal is that you want to keep grinding to try and get as much of these nicks away. Now you don't want to overdo it, because if you take too much off of the blade, it becomes unbalanced. So make sure that you equally grind both sides of the blade. If you're not interested in sharpening the blade, the next video coming up is how to replace the blade.